What's up? Good morning, everybody. Anyways, yeah, so I bought the Mavic Mini 2. It's just a DJI Mini 2 now. It's not even the Mavic. I wanted to get the sunrise. I think it looks beautiful. It sounds beautiful. Listen, shh. Let's get some drone footage. We're gonna power this up.
Take off. The home point.
Let's have some fun. I'm gonna have so much fun with this thing. It's not even funny. We gotta get back. We gotta get back to the crib, to the tent. That's what I mean by the crib. Hello. Is anybody home?
Oh.
Good morning.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, what happened?
You got your face.
You smiling. What's up, baby? You look crazy. Okay, first things first. Let's make some coffee and breakfast for the kids and Faye and me. Cheers. We're gonna eat this food. We're gonna drink this coffee. Are you okay? We're gonna go to the lake. Let's go to the lake. Part of our trip. We're headed back home right now, but I wanted to get some last second drone footage and then some pictures. We're here. We found a location where I think might be pretty dope. But yeah, here we go.
I'm done.
that was our trip to New Mexico. The basis of this video, I just want to have fun with the Mini 2. I got some shots on my camera, got some drone shots. I'm gonna go ahead and post those on Instagram. So go ahead and go over to my Instagram page and give those a like. Hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did making it. As always, remember, man, follow me on all my social media platforms. @AlexCreatedIt_. Make sure to hit my portfolio, my website, alexcreatedit.com. Get your gear, agstbrand.com. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Till next time, stay blessed. See Captain this, I'm out. Peace.